Layla is investigating how much people would be prepared to pay for a bottle of water at an Eisteddfod. So there were 12 people who were prepared to pay between 0 and £1. 44 people between £1 and £2. 20 people between £2 and £3. 4 people between £3 and £4. She asked a number of people at the concert on Monday how much they would be prepared to pay. Monday's results are summarised in the table. So this was Monday. Calculate an estimate for the mean amount of money that a person would be prepared to pay for a bottle of water. Mean is the average, okay? If you remember, hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the most, but wait, there's one more. The range is the difference between. So, but because we don't know how much they pay and we need to make an estimate, and this is why it says estimate. So a good value between 0 and £1 would be 50 pence. So I'm going to put that in as 0.50. A good estimate between £1 and £2 in the middle, right in the middle of 1 and 2, is £1.50. Right in the middle of 2 and 3 is £2.50. Right in the middle of 3 and 4 is £3.50. So they are my estimates because I'm going for the mid values. So I'm now saying 12 people have all are prepared to pay 50 pence. 44 all prepared to pay £1.50. So what I got to do now is multiply them to get the total values. So 12 times £1.50, sorry, 12 times 50 pence is £6. £1.50 times 44 is £66. £2.50 times 20 is £50. And £3.50 times 4. £3.50, £7, £14. So the total, the mean, is the total, which is this column added up, which is 14, add 50 is 64, plus 66 is 130. So plus 6 is £136, divided by how many people there are. So 12 add 44 is 56. Add 20 is 76. Add 4 is 80. So I'm doing 136 divided by 80. So the average of people are prepared to pay is 1.7, which means £1.70. So that is the mean amount they're prepared to pay. So £1.70. So Monday, that day above, was a cool day. On Tuesday, it was much warmer. So she asked a further 60 people the same question as she did on Monday. And on Tuesday, the mean was £2.30. Use the data collected over the 2 days to calculate an estimate of the mean amount that they prepared to pay for a bottle. So what we found, we've got 2 days. On Monday, there were 80 people who, in total, if we go back to the question, were prepared to pay £136. They were all paying £1.70. They're prepared to pay £1.70 each, which is 80 times £1.70 was £136. It was the total of the column when we added it up. On Tuesday, she now has got 60 people all prepared to pay £2.30. So because we got to find the total amount they're prepared to pay in the week or the 2 days, we've got to do now 60 times £2.30. So £2.30 times 60 is £138. So the total that people are prepared to pay is 136 plus 138, which is £274. So they're prepared to pay £274. But how many people are there? There's 140 people in total. So to find the mean is the total they're prepared to pay, which is 274, divided by the number of people, which is 140. And 274 divided by 140 is roughly, comes up as £1.957. So because of the 7, you round it up to a 6, so it becomes £1.96.